up here to test, see what they look like. Tonight. Alright, let me get in so I eat my breakfast.